Hi, welcome back to Hitch Trailers. Today we're looking at this 76 by 12 Stealth made by Rice Trailers out of Missouri. It has a full form body and frame, 3,500 pound axle, 2,000 pound setback jack, comes with 15-inch radial tires with silver mod wheels, treated lumber floors. It is a non-tilt. It has a removable toolbox with a keyed padlock, aluminum toolbox lid, formed sheet metal sides. It's fully D.O.T compliant with LED light system. It has recessed rubber grommets mounted for the LED light system. It has a fully sealed modular wiring harness. Its 4-foot tube drop gate with spring-loaded latching system is removable and also lays flat on the inside to reduce drag. It has a 2-inch coupler. It's steel grate blasted, degreased, phosphatied, hot water pressurized, washed and sealed, powder coated trailer is ready for you today at Hitch It. Check us out at 918trailers.com or call us at 918-286-7900. Thanks.